Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday. It's a bit misty over there. Welcome to misty, cloudy, sweaty Weymouth. Did I say it's Saturday? If I didn't, it's Saturday. It is almost 11:15. And yesterday, I got all this finished. I put that on. I screwed that and that to that. The window's still working. Oh, fresh air. That's awesome. And I didn't have any more 2x2s, and I didn't have a bigger post thing. So, I wish I could stop saying so. I've done that. I've cut that. It'll hold it because it's on a corner. It was going to have whatever's on there and whatever's on here holding it. Now, I did also cut a piece of wood that goes from there to there, so I'm going to attach that now. Don't know where I've put it, but I'll attach it, and I'm going to put you in the shed just in case it starts raining. We don't want you to get wet now, do we? Right, that's one more sheet on, but I've just realised, silly me, that this runs that way, then that runs, you know, at an angle going out. It's not going to matter to me. It's not straight. If we look at it from that angle, look. So the post should have been here, which is about 6 inches. Who cares? And God has started to have a wee again. So I've got my brolly up. The trusty Coca-Cola brolly. Right, so now I'm going to get the sheets done for there. And then I think the sheets for there, I think I've got enough plastic. And then the same what I've done here with these pieces of wood, there and there. Let's get on it. Okay, so that's that bit done. Phew. And I've done the overlap. As you can see, the outside comes to there. So, but I've got a big gap there now. But I don't think that should matter. It might do. It's going to let some of the cold in, isn't it? But it's not going to let the rain in. So, don't know what to do about that. Well, I've run out of screws as well now. So, I've got some more at home. Oh, me back. So I don't know what to do now. This rain's putting me off. Let's get in the shed. Yes, I will see if I've got some wood for there and there. I'm running out of wood. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh my word, it's absolutely peeing it down. But I'm a trooper. I'm still plodding on. That piece of wood that I had there, that is the bit that I had left of it because it was a long plank of wood. So it matches. Although, like I said, it's sort of at an angle going out that way. But that doesn't matter, does it? It's still on my plot. Yeah, so I've just got to finish screwing the bottom there and the bottom there. I'm getting a little bit wet, but I can handle it. I've just been thinking, because that bit there is that featherboard, so whatever piece of wood I put there, I can put featherboard on top to match it, so it will all look the same. Yes. And then underneath it, just like about there, that's where I can build a table, so I can grow things on top of it, and down there I will do eventually a raised bed, and so I can plant down there something that will grow not higher than that height, and then I can grow seedlings on there. I could even grow seedlings in the raised bed that I make, but that's all going to take time, and it's getting brighter and the rain has slowed down a little bit, but I'm just having a break. Another thing now is I'm not going to be able to start this side because I don't know how big my door's going to be here, so I've got one more of them metal things where you bang them in and put a post in, which is a 4x4. I've got a 4x4 which will go somewhere here because the door's going to be there or there, so I don't know how wide, I don't know where I need to put my post, so I have to wait for my door now. And now it's almost stopped raining. I'm going to look, see if I can find a piece of wood for that. Right, so I just went, oh, I've done that. It's a tiny little bit longer, but that doesn't matter. And I've just been to the place where I buy my screws from, and he was closed, but there's a window place next door. And I said to him, do you sell any screws? He went, not really. He said, but I can let you have some. And he's just given me about 30 screws. So I've been able to finish this bit here. So I put that piece of wood on, put that other bit of feather boarding on, and just screwed that all in, so it's all secure now. Like I said, I can't do from here to wherever it's going to go, because first of all I need to get my door, fix the door on, and then I know how wide that's going to be. So I can't do nothing at the minute. That's it. I'm at a standstill. So I'm going to paint. I'm going to paint all this wood in that wood. Oh, come on, missus. Oh, that's heavy. With that, I'm going to paint all that wood so as it looks nice, and it'll protect it a bit. There's no fumes or anything, but I just thought I'd open my window to let a bit of fresh air get in. So, there you go. It looks really good, doesn't it? I'm really proud of that. I was going to paint this as well, but it's going to make it too dark in here, I think. Oh. But I think it would make it too dark in here, so I'm thinking about leaving the shed and that colour, unless later on I might paint it a lighter colour just to get that little bit more light in there. But even if I do say so myself, that's looking pretty cool. What I'm going to do with the roof, I don't know. What I'm going to do now, well, not now, I don't know, but that's it for now. I can't do any more, like I said, until I get the door. Oh, I could actually get a piece of wood to fix up there, to fix the door onto when it comes, like I did with this piece here. I think I'm almost sure I have got a piece for that, but I can start tidying up now because I hate it when it's a mess. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. So I think I will, what's this, 11.5 minutes. Yeah, I think I'll say goodbye for today. Oh, I'll just show you what I've picked before I go. What I've harvested. Let's take it outside because it's a bit dark in here. I have got a light for in here. Oh, my back. I have got a light for in there, so, which you'll see later. Alright, I've picked all these beans. I've got 2 marrows there, courgettes, a couple of turnips, they're only small, and one of my spaghetti squashes. I love them. I don't like courgettes, I don't like turnips, I don't like beans, but I've promised that to somebody. I've promised a few. I think the next 3 are promised out, so yeah, I won't be getting anything for a while. No, it's alright. I only grow it for other people, so... Right, so, from very cloudy Weymouth, it's still muggy. On a Saturday afternoon, I will bid you all a farewell. Bye-bye.